All eyes are on the Supreme Court this week as the battle over the most commonly taken abortion drug is heating up.
Over the weekend, thousands of protesters across the county called for action as possible new limits to abortion rights make their way through the courts. NBC's Drew Petrimo reports from Washington. Drew, good morning.
Well, good morning. The big question here is, will the Supreme Court allow major changes to abortion access to go into effect this week?
Protests from New York to California as abortion rights supporters demand access to the commonly used abortion drug mifepristone. The protests come after a federal judge issued a nationwide ban on the drug. An appeals court blocked the ban but kept some restrictions in place. The Biden administration appealed the restrictions, and the Supreme Court will rule on that this week.
We do not need judges, politicians, or government telling women about what sort of health care they can have.
Some Republicans urging patience while the courts decide this particular case.
Can be resolved by the courts. It's actively being resolved.
While also defending their position that abortion is an issue best left to individual states.
I think that returning it to the states to allow a state's values to guide is very important.
But other Republicans worry repeated attacks on abortion rights are alienating voters.
Some of the stances we've taken, especially when it comes to rape and incest, protecting the life of the mother, it's so extreme. The middle, the independent voters, right of center, left of center, they cannot support us.
This is a critical point in our nation's history.
Vice President Kamala Harris making an appearance at a pro-abortion rights rally in Los Angeles over the weekend, making it clear that Democrats plan to press the issue they think is a winner at the polls.
Now, the Supreme Court has blocked changes to mifepristone access at least until Wednesday at midnight, allowing more time for legal filings and for the court to consider its next steps. Reporting from Washington, I'm Drew Petrimo. Back to you.
And Drew, what exactly is the Supreme Court considering here?
Well, the specific challenges being considered by the court are expanded access to mifepristone that were implemented over the past several years. They include allowing the drug to be shipped in the mail, also reducing the number of doctor visits that a person has to get in order to receive mifepristone, and also allowing mifepristone to be used for abortions up to 10 weeks, where previously the restriction was 7 weeks. So these would amount to some major changes. The Biden administration says it would be really limited for reproductive rights, and the administration is asking the court to block the implementation.
Some big decisions here. All right, Drew Petrimo live for us in D.C. Thank you so much.